Are you struggling with disorganization, wasting valuable time on clunky systems? You're not alone, and there's a solution. The chaos of countless text messages and to-do lists can be overwhelming for any business owner. Remember the frustrations of managing projects with Google Sheets, constantly searching for essential information? New Reach Marketing began in 2020 as a small business relying solely on Google Sheets for organization. As we gained clients, our outdated system became more challenging to navigate, leading to significant stresses. We hit an astounding 648 rows in our content spreadsheet, struggling under the weight of our tools. Managing multiple tabs for different projects was overwhelming, causing critical information to fall through the cracks. Our project management tools were clearly not optimized for future growth. We needed a transformation. Testing various project management tools over 6 months was a pivotal experience for us as a team. Eventually, ClickUp emerged as the best choice due to its user-friendly interface and customizable features. ClickUp helped us scale to an impressive 800K ARR. Let's dive into how it reshaped our agency. With ClickUp, we could easily track campaigns, streamline processes, and enhance team collaboration significantly. Imagine visually managing tasks through boards. No more overwhelming spreadsheets leading to frustration for anyone. ClickUp's intuitive design allowed our team to smoothly transition without altering our existing processes drastically. Custom statuses and automation features within ClickUp not only improved efficiency, but also minimized admin burdens. Our team can now collaborate seamlessly, assigning tasks with clarity and ensuring every detail is covered. This platform empowers us to maintain a well-organized workflow, giving us a clearer strategic direction. We're able to provide more diverse packages to our clients, expanding our offerings thanks to ClickUp's flexibility. If your business needs better organization, ClickUp could be your golden ticket to streamlined success. Embrace growth, eliminate chaos, and bring clarity to your projects. ClickUp can take you further than you ever imagined.